Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 585 Versailles. We just did a hydro flush on this line out here in the yard. We're going to go ahead and put our camera in there and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed in here about 64, 65 feet. Here we are at the bottom of the stack. I'll pull it back and show you what this looks like. We got a line in there on the side there. Looks like something else cutting in on the side there. Pretty rough. Alright, so we got a hole here at the bottom of this cast iron. I've located this in the basement. See, the cast iron's pretty gone down at the bottom of here. I've located this one spot there, 1 feet 1 inches deep. As you see, that bottom of that pipe's rusted out. Pull it back. So, alright, so I've located, I believe this is where the bottom of the cast iron stops, is rusted out where it stops and begins. I've marked it in the basement down there. It's 1 feet 4 inches deep. Alright, so if you look to the side here on the bottom, we do have a crack, some cracking going on. A little bit of root grown in. See, and the crack stops. So I'm going to go ahead and see where this is at. I'll be right back. Alright, so yeah, got a little bit of cracks there on the side, the bottom. Alright, we got a turn here. This turn got a little bit of a dive. We got another line cutting in at the top there. So here we are at the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast. It's a 6-inch clay pipe. So you got a little bit of roots growing in on the sides there, but knocked them back pretty good. So we got another small amount of root there. Got a turn in the line. A couple more right there. Another pretty good amount of root there. Small piece of root. Here we are at the riser pipe, the T here. We're going to go ahead and run out to the main. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out to the main out here, about 43 feet, 44 feet. Let's pull it back, see what it looks like. A small bit of root there. A small amount of root there. Alright, this is where they've done a repair here. You see it's kind of dropped right there. Got a little bit of offset on that clay pipe there. Got some roots flowing into there. So here we are at the riser pipe. So that's what you got. Alrighty, thank you. That's pavement.